How to prepare rice in the most advantageous way for health. Many people all throughout the world consider rice to be a basic food. It's quick cooking, flexible, and wholesome. Its health advantages, however, might be much enhanced by your cooking technique. Let's investigate how healthiest rice should be cooked. Selecting the correct rice. First, decide on the correct kind of rice. A whole grain, brown rice keeps more nutrients than white rice. It loads with nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. Though more processed, white rice offers less nutrients but is easier for digestion. Choose organic rice if at all possible to stay away from pesticide exposure. Cleansing the rice. One must wash rice before cooking. It clears extra starch, trash, and dust. Arrange the rice in a bowl, then cover with water. Drain the water and softly massage the grains together. 2 or 3 times through this technique will help the water run clear. This stage also helps to lower the arsenic level in rice, so enhancing the safety of consumption. Soaking the rice. Rice should thus be soaked before cooking. In cold water, soak the rice for around 30 minutes. This facilitates more equal cooking and absorption of water by the rice. It softens the rice and cuts cooking time as well. Furthermore, helping to reduce the antinutrients including phytic acid is soaking. Phytic acid has the ability to hinder bodily mineral absorption. Cooking style. Let us now shift to cooking. Considered the healthiest technique for cooking rice is the absorption one. Use 1.5 to 2 parts water for 1 part rice. Bring the water boiling before adding the rice. Add the rice once the water is boiling, then lower the heat. Lid the pot tightly accordingly. Allow the rice to low heat simmer. This way guarantees that the rice absorbs all the water, so preserving its nutrients. Steer clear of stirring the rice while it cooks, since this will release more starch and cause it to stickier. Making use of herbal or broth infusions. Cook rice in broth or herbal infusions for even more taste and health advantages. Extra nutrients and taste come from vegetable or bone broth. Infused into the cooking water are herbs including ginger, garlic, or turmeric. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities abound in these herbs. They will improve the rice's nutritional worth. Just include a tiny bit of broth or herbs to the cooking water. This will give the rice helpful chemicals. Include good fats, including sensible fats in your rice will increase its nutritional value. Before cooking, toss a little olive or coconut oil with the rice. Your body can absorb fat-soluble vitamins more readily with healthy fats. They also provide the rice a more rich taste and texture. These fats give long-lasting energy and help to maintain heart health. Making rice with spices. Spices improve health in addition to adding taste. Great selections are cinnamon, coriander, and cucini. Their digestive, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant qualities abound. To the cooking water, add a bit of your chosen spice. This stage will improve the taste as well as the health advantages of your rice. Resting the rice. Let the rice rest when it has done cooking. Take the saucepan off the burner, but leave it covered. Give the rice 10 minutes or so to sit. This helps the grains to absorb any last moisture and stiffen themselves. Resting also results in more easily served rice fluffiness. Reheat and chill rice. Rice's health advantages can be enhanced by cooling it after cooking. Rice forms resistant starch when it cools, then reheats. Starch resistant helps gut health. It facilitates good digestion and functions similarly to fiber. Let the rice cool totally after cooking to accomplish this. Keep it in the refrigerator for few hours or overnight. Just reheat the rice when ready for eating. This method raises the resistant starch level, therefore improving the health value of the rice. Serving and portion control. 1 carb-heavy food is rice. Eat it in moderation, though. About half a cup of cooked rice makes 1 normal serving size. Match your rice to lots of vegetables and a good supply of protein. This creates a wholesome and nourishing dinner. Controlling blood sugar levels depends on portion sizes. It also keeps one in a good weight. Keeping extra rice health depends on correct storage of leftovers including rice. Stow the rice in an airtight container. Chill it 2 hours after cooking. Up to 4 days can pass between refrigeration of rice. Reheat the rice such that it steams hot. This lessens foodborne disease risk. Steer clear of leaving rice room temperature for too long. Preventing typical errors. Avoid typical mistakes to cook rice in the most favorable manner. Use sparing water since this will cause the rice to mushy. The soaking stage improves texture and digestibility, so you shouldn't miss it. Steer clear of adding undue butter or salt. While butter contributes unneeded saturated fats, much salt might increase blood pressure. After cooking, fluff the rice with a fork, not forgetting. This creates the light and fluffy rice and helps separate the grains. Rice in healthy recipes, including rice into sensible meals, comes naturally. Base salads, stir-fries, or grain bowls on it. Add it to some lean proteins and a range of vegetables. This produces a balanced and nourishing lunch. Try creating a rice pilaf, including dried fruits and nuts. Alternatively, make a strong vegetable and spice-based rice soup. These are not only great but also quite nutrient-dense foods. Simple as cooking rice in the healthiest manner. Choose brown or organic rice, among other appropriate kinds of rice. To enhance the texture and cut antinutrients, wash and soak the rice before cooking. Apply the absorption technique and give extra taste and benefits some thought on adding broth, herbs, and spices. Add good fats and let the rice rest following cooking. To boost resistant starch, keep in mind to reheat and cool rice. Always work on portion management and correctly preserve leftovers of rice. Steer clear of frequent errors and include rice in several healthy dishes. These guidelines will help you to enjoy rice as a good and nutritious component of your diet. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.